I got this like right after my box Chevy got dropped off because I told myself I'm gonna need it once the car come back, so go ahead and get it. So got this from Advanced, as y'all can see. Advanced Auto Parts. Went ahead and ordered it, and it is the 14-inch Eldelbrock air cleaner. Come with the air filter and everything, you know what I'm saying? Brand spanking new, and it's chromed out just like my valve covers. You know, my valve covers are chrome Eldelbrocks. So like I said, got the air filter. So yeah, I think this 14-inch one, go ahead and pop the hood. And if y'all didn't check out the video where I talked about and showed y'all the new small block thrown in this car, the built small block, go check that video out. Should be the last video I just posted, you know what I'm saying? Alright. And then make sure my Eldelbrock is turned the right way, so it'll be straight. Put about there. Y'all know we just put one of these on the Cutlass too, and I forgot this one was bent. Can't do nothing about it now, though. It's too late past the return date. Go ahead and twist that down. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Now this video, you know what I'm saying, I showed y'all last video that we went ahead and got the box Chevy back, showed y'all the motor swap is finished, everything is done, and you feel me, I didn't get y'all the sound clip yet. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that. But this video, we finna go ahead and install the air cleaner 14-inch one, you know what I'm saying, because I got that really small one on the motor, and I just don't like it, you know what I'm saying. I don't like it that well, so we're gonna go ahead and upgrade it to this 14-inch one. And simple as that, you know what I'm saying. This should be really quick, really easy. I hope y'all enjoy this vid, you feel me. But yeah, like I said, it should be quick. Y'all stay tuned. I got a couple more videos I want to do today. I want to go ahead and try to, we're gonna reinstall the trim. We're gonna put all the trim back on, you know what I'm saying, because I mean, I'm not getting the car painted no time soon. I was trying to get it painted by the end of this year, but it's already the end of the year, so yeah, I'm not too stressed about it. And whenever I do get ready to get it painted, I'll put the trim back off, you feel me. But yeah, that's gonna be something I'm gonna try to do today. And yeah, we was going to install the spark plug little brackets, but I just noticed on my headers I can't do that, you know what I'm saying. It won't work, so I'm gonna just save it for the Cutlass. We're gonna throw them on the Cutlass, and we're gonna do it like that, you feel me. But yeah, we finna go ahead, like I said, install this 14-inch air cleaner and get that really small one off, you know what I'm saying. I just don't like the look of that small one. The small one don't look well, or don't look right, I should say. And it's like a generic brand, you feel me, where I'm finna put Eldelbrock on now. I got an Eldelbrock carburetor, brand new. It's brand spanking new, you feel me. It ain't got probably not even 200 miles on it, probably not even 100 miles on it, you feel me. So got my brand new Eldelbrock carburetor, got Eldelbrock valve covers. So I'm finna go ahead and throw this Eldelbrock air cleaner on as well, you feel me. Like I said, and it's bigger, so I think it'll look a lot better than having that really small one in, which I'll show y'all once we get outside the car. But other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn the post notification bell to all after y'all subscribe, you know what I'm saying. After y'all subscribe, turn the post notification bell to all, that way as soon as I drop a video, y'all will get notified, you feel me. And share the channel, share this video, man. Roll to 5,000 subscribers, man. So share the channel, share this video. Y'all know the motto, one step at a time. We done a lot to this box Chevy, you feel me, since I first got it and started making content on it. I made content on it probably about a year after I got this car. That's when I first started making content on it. I done a lot. Y'all can go to my playlist and click 84 box Chevy or 84 Chevy Caprice, whatever I got it named, you feel me. And y'all will see from the beginning all the way to now, all the videos, all the stuff I done to this car. I done so much. I got a lot of money in this car. Probably not near as much as most people will have in their cars, but I still have, for me, I have a lot of money in this car, to me, you feel me. But it's all worth it, because this has always been my dream car since I was a little kid, you feel me. I've always wanted to own a box Chevy, a Chevy Caprice, you feel me, an 80 Chevy Caprice. More so I wanted the 87 with the quarter top, but yeah, I got what I got, you feel me. And I'm blessed, and I'm happy with I'm content with what I have, you know what I'm saying. I don't care about it, you feel me. As long as I got one is all I really cared about, and I got one, and I'm building it the way I want it to be built. So other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed, like I say, and I'll catch you once we get outside the car. We're gonna go ahead and get this done. It should be really fast, bro. It shouldn't take no time at all, you feel me. We're gonna get this done quick, so catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so outside of the car now, and like I told y'all, we done been had this for a little minute. I got this like right after my box Chevy got dropped off because I told myself I'm gonna need it once the car come back, so go ahead and get it. So got this from Advanced, as y'all can see. Advanced Auto Parts. Went ahead and ordered it, and it is the 14-inch Eldelbrock air cleaner. Come with the air filter and everything, you know what I'm saying? Brand spanking new, and it's chromed out just like my valve covers. You know, my valve covers are chrome Eldelbrocks. So like I said, got the air filter. So yeah, I think this 14-inch one, go ahead and pop the hood. And if y'all didn't check out the video where I talked about and showed y'all the new small block thrown in this car, the built small block, go check that video out. Should be the last video I just posted, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, got a brand new Eldelbrock carburetor, got Eldelbrock valve covers with a generic air cleaner, and it's little. Look how little this mug is, bro. It's almost just the size of my hand compared to this 14-inch one, which is probably about 4 of my hand. You know what I'm saying? 2, about 3.5 of my hand. You feel me? Where this one is about 1.5 of my hand. This itty bitty one, bro. So we finna go ahead, like I said, get this off. It should be really, really quick, really, really easy. Not too long. All I do is undo this bolt here. Look, hand tighten. See what I'm saying? It ain't gonna take long at all. Get this bolt on off. And then we're gonna do a little comparison. Get that bolt off, sit that bolt there. And then this air filter will come on off. Look at there. Look at this itty bitty filter, bro. This little bitty filter. For one, I think the airflow will be a little bit better with that bigger one, rather so than this really, really small one. Yeah, I just don't like this small one, bro. And like I said, don't got no name brand on there or anything. It's just little. And then we put it here. Look at that. Look at that size difference. Like I said, I think the airflow will be better with this bigger one, and it looks better in this Eldelbrock. You feel me? So I have Eldelbrock here, Eldelbrock on the valve covers, and brand new Eldelbrock card. So I have all of that. So yeah, like I said, I just think it'll be better. You feel me? I think it'll look better, and we're gonna rock out like that. You feel what I'm saying? And like I said, I wanted to do my spark plug wire bracket today, but like I said, if y'all notice my headers, as y'all can see, it's cold because I haven't started the car yet. But yeah, it's not gonna work with my headers, you know what I'm saying? So I won't be able to do that. Sucks, but it'll be all right. You know what I'm saying? It'll be a-okay. So yeah, let's go ahead, get this on up out the box. Actually, I need to pull my hair back real quick. So what I'm gonna do is sit y'all here, and then put y'all down some. Turn. All right, that should be good. Now I need to go ahead and pull my hair back real quick, so my hair get out of my face. And this little package with the Eldelbrock air cleaner, the Pro Flow air cleaner, it comes with a bolt too, but I don't know if this will work. You know what I'm saying? So before I go ahead and just throw the Eldelbrock on, I don't think it is gonna work. I want to go ahead and test out this bolt, like I said, it came with, or this little cap piece, you feel me, to lock it down. I don't think it's gonna work though. Oh, I do. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we're gonna use this. We're not gonna use that bolt anymore. We're gonna use this because it came with the package. Perfect. You know what I'm saying? Perfect. So we're not gonna use this little bolt no more. I'm gonna put this up. Don't need it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm gonna put this bolt with this generic air cleaner, this little bitty one, and we're gonna go ahead and pull out the Eldelbrock outside of the package. So I'm gonna leave the plastic on for a second while I go ahead and put this bottom on. So we go ahead and pull that out of the package. Ouch. Got my hair stuck. And then we go ahead, lay that down. What is it hit? Oh, it's hitting this thing right here. I don't know what it is, but it's hitting it. Oh, and it's hitting my spark plug wires. This might be a little too big, so I don't think I need to turn that. Yeah, it might be a little too big. I think it'll be fine though. We're gonna still put it on. Put it like that. I don't know. mean, I could turn it upside down like this. Hold on, y'all, 1 second. Bags was flying. Yeah, it's not supposed to go this way though. That's the thing. You feel what I'm saying? It's not supposed to go like that. Dang it, dang it, dang it, bro. If it ain't one thing, it's another. All the time with these freaking cars, bro. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Every time. Nothing ever goes to plan. Cause it's supposed to seal there. It's supposed to be so it don't have no those leaks or nothing, you know what I'm saying? Dang it, bro. Try it like that, see if that'll work. Alright. And make sure my Eldelbrock is turned the right way so it'll be straight. Put about there. Y'all know we just put one of these on the Cutlass too, and I forgot this one was bent. Can't do nothing about it now though. It's too late past the return date. Go ahead and twist that down. You can get it tight as I can get it. Just like it. That looks a lot better, you feel me, than this little bitty one. Make sure everything back here is good. Yeah, so far so good, looking good. Alright, I think that's it. Go ahead, put this generic one in this Eldelbrock box, so we'll put this box up. Big box away. But yeah, y'all can't tell me that don't look better, bro. It looks 1,000 times better, bro. 1,000. And like I said, it matches Eldelbrock card, Eldelbrock high rise. I forgot about that. The high rise is Eldelbrock, even though it ain't a huge high rise, you feel me, but it is a high rise. Yeah, man, y'all can't tell me that don't look better. And like I said, it fits well, fits better. It's bigger, you know what I'm saying, 14-inch compared to that little bitty, I think it's like a 7-inch maybe. You feel me? It's like a quarter of this size though, you know? But yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about the air filter being installed. And like I told you, it was something quick, easy, not too long, don't need no tools. Do it all by hand. Like I said, it looks 1,000 times better. It clears the hood clearly. You feel me? Plenty of room to clear the hood. So that's no big deal. But yeah, we got that done, man. That's one step closer. Y'all know the motto, one step at a time, so we one step closer. But yeah, man, other than that, hope y'all enjoyed, man. Like I said, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. I need to clean up this engine bay, bro. Some of this stuff, like them wires and stuff, try to get them on up out of there. You feel me? But a lot of them wires, y'all can see, none of them even plugged up. They ain't even going to nothing. So I need to figure out how to get them going. But other than that, yeah, I hate that this is bent, but like I said, it came like that when y'all remember when I unboxed this, it was already bent. So, and it's too late for me to send it back now. It's past the 30-day mark, or it might have been 60 days. If it's 60 days, I might be able to return it. But if anything, I just buy another one, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe I just buy the top, you know what I'm saying? Order a top online instead of buying a whole nother kit. The whole kit, I think it was like $45, $50, which is not bad. But I can probably find just the top, maybe like 20, you know what I'm saying? So if anything, I just do that. But other than that, I think it's fine. It's perfectly fine. So y'all leave y'all opinion in the comments down below, Eldelbrock. And we're gonna rock out like that. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed. Hold on, y'all. Trying to do something on my phone. But yeah, like I said, hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll catch y'all for the outro. Alright, y'all, so like I said, man, something quick, easy, simple, nothing too crazy. We got that done, you feel me? So I hope y'all enjoyed this vid. Y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments. I'm finna go ahead, next video. Also, I forgot I had this Eldelbrock one. I could put this one on, it's a smaller one. But like I said, I don't like the smaller one. I like that bigger one. The 14-inch one look better. I forgot I had this, but I'm finna go ahead and take it out of here because I don't want it in here no more. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and sit this out here. I forgot I had this Eldelbrock. My pops had it. He was like, take it and put it in your car whenever you get that small block swapped. And yeah, I ended up just buying that bigger one. Like I said, I like the way the bigger one looks. The bigger one just, I don't know, it fits the engine bay more, because y'all know that it's a huge engine bay. This car is just big. It's a big car. So I feel like that just fits the engine bay a little bit more. But other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed this vid. We finna get into the next one where, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and install all my trim, which is on the back seat, just to try to clean up the interior of this car a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I need to go to a car wash and vacuum out the whole inside, you feel me? And come back home and wash the car, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to wash the car today. So I'm just gonna record as much as I can for y'all, and we're gonna rock out like that. I still need to get the bottom piece to the door panel. Still haven't ordered that because I haven't found no blue ones. Ain't nobody been selling no blue ones, so I still gotta find one of those. Still gotta get that pillar, and it ain't too much left for me to do with this car. I need to glue down this dash overlay. I need to pull this whole dash out and glue down this overlay, but I still ain't got no clamps. You know what I'm saying? I gotta get some clamps to be able to do that. But man, other than that, man, like I said, the car is moving along one step at a time. We are almost fully complete with this car. You know what I'm saying? I'm almost fully done, and I think I'm gonna do a full walk around video again, basically just showing y'all everything we done to the car. Because like I said, I done a lot. And it might seem like a lot of stuff have not been touched. I done a whole lot to this car, from painting the frame and calipers, to doing some interior work, to adding music to the car, to now a motor swap, another motor swap. You feel me? That's the second, well, I know this is the second motor swap on this car. You feel me? The first one was done when I got the car, and I had to do some stuff to basically finish it. It was already, the small block was already in here, y'all know. And I just had to do some stuff to finish it, to get it running and everything. And then I had an opportunity to buy this small block that's in here now. Jumped on it, you know what I'm saying? It was a fantastic price. Jumped on it, we got it installed, you know what I'm saying? And having this motor in here is the whole reason for me wanting to build my other small block now. And I'm glad I ended up keeping it and not trying to, I was going to sell it, but I'm glad I'm keeping that small block. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and rebuild it, get it built, and I'm gonna throw it in the Cutlass later on, you feel me, later on down the line. But other than that, man, like I said, y'all let me know what y'all think about that Eldelbrock air cleaner, the 14-inch one. Like I said, I think it looks 1,000 times better than having that little bitty small one up in there. It just fits the engine bay more. And yeah, like I said, I want to do a full walk around video, basically showing y'all everything that I done to the car, and what I really want to do next, which is finding like some 60/40 seats to put up in here. And you feel me? That's really all I really want to do that's left to the car, is find some blue seats to put in here. You know what I'm saying? So I can recline back a little bit, because I mean, I don't mind sitting like this. It's just this bench seat, you feel me? I can't go back none, and I want to go back some, but I just can't. You know what I'm saying? I can't go back none. You feel me? The seat's all the way back, so can't go back none. My legs are a little bit long, so I like to sit back when I'm riding, but I can't do that in this car. You know what I'm saying? Because the seat don't move no more. But yeah, other than that, man, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed the vid. Make sure y'all smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell on after y'all subscribe. That way, as soon as I drop a video, y'all get that notification saying that I dropped. You know what I'm saying? And you can come rock out with your boy and check out the vid that I dropped. And then share the channel, share this video, you know what I'm saying? Road to 5,000 subscribers. Trying to hit that goal, man. So I need y'all help. Do whatever y'all can to help me reach that goal. But other than that, like I said, I hope y'all enjoyed, man. I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all for everything y'all do, for rocking out with me, for being here. You know what I'm saying? Y'all don't have to, but y'all choose to. And that's why I love y'all, and I appreciate y'all for everything. You know what I'm saying? Keep God first, God bless. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.